Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the features of a powerful cordless vacuum cleaner that promises to revolutionize your cleaning routine. Equipped with 2 removable batteries, this vacuum offers an impressive 110 minutes of runtime, allowing you to clean your entire home without interruption. Its 450W brushless motor delivers a remarkable suction power of up to 40 kPa, effortlessly tackling surface debris and deeply embedded dirt. Thanks to its smart sensors, the vacuum automatically adjusts suction power based on floor type, ensuring optimal performance on carpets and hard floors alike. The all-in-one color touchscreen lets you easily switch between Eco, Standard, Boost, and Auto modes while monitoring battery life and maintenance needs. With additional features like a rotatable electric brush head, anti-winding roller, and convenient wall mount, this vacuum is designed for ultimate convenience. Plus, enjoy peace of mind with a 2-year free protection plan and 24/7 customer service, making this cordless stick vacuum a must-have for any household. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.